Healthy hair is a common desire. We all dream of having those perfect, luscious locks that we see in commercials and magazines. It's not just about appearance. Healthy hair can be a sign of overall well-being. When our hair looks good, we feel good. It's a confidence booster that can make a big difference in our daily lives. We want strong, shiny, and long hair. Hair that flows effortlessly and catches the light just right. It's a universal desire that transcends cultures and ages. Whether you're young or old, the longing for beautiful hair is something we all share. It makes us feel confident. When our hair is at its best, we feel unstoppable. It's like wearing an invisible crown that boosts our self-esteem and makes us feel ready to take on the world. But sometimes our hair doesn't cooperate. We all have those bad hair days when nothing seems to work. It can be frustrating and disheartening, especially when we put in so much effort to take care of it. It can be slow to grow or lackluster. Despite our best efforts, sometimes our hair just doesn't respond the way we want it to. It can be slow to grow, or it might lack the shine and vitality we crave. Many factors impact hair growth. Our hair is influenced by a variety of factors, including genetics, hormones, and our overall health. External factors like pollution and weather can also take a toll on our hair's condition. Stress, diet, and hair products all play a part. What we eat, how we manage stress, and the products we use can all have a significant impact on our hair's health. It's important to pay attention to these aspects if we want to achieve our hair goals. Finding natural solutions for hair growth is important. Many people are turning to natural remedies to promote hair growth and improve hair health. These solutions are often gentler on the hair and scalp, and they can be just as effective as commercial products. DIY methods are gaining popularity. Do-it-yourself hair care methods are becoming increasingly popular. People are discovering the benefits of using natural ingredients to create their own hair treatments at home. These methods offer a natural approach to hair care. They allow us to take control of what we put on our hair, ensuring that we use only the best and most natural ingredients. They are often budget-friendly too. One of the great advantages of DIY hair care is that it can be very cost-effective. Natural ingredients are often cheaper than commercial products, and you can make them in the comfort of your own home. Let's explore a DIY recipe that can help your hair thrive. Stay tuned as we dive into a simple yet effective DIY hair mask recipe that you can try at home. This natural treatment will help nourish your hair and promote healthy growth. This DIY hair growth treatment uses just 2 ingredients: rosemary and apple cider vinegar. These 2 natural ingredients work wonders for your hair. Rosemary is known for stimulating hair follicles and promoting growth. It has been used for centuries in various cultures for its medicinal properties. The herb contains ursolic acid, which helps to increase circulation to the scalp, thereby promoting hair growth. Additionally, rosemary has anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe an irritated scalp. Apple cider vinegar balances the scalp's pH and adds shine. It helps to remove product buildup and can even help to prevent dandruff. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar is effective in killing bacteria and fungus, which are common causes of dandruff and hair loss. Moreover, it helps to close the hair cuticle, making your hair smoother and shinier. Ingredients: fresh rosemary sprigs, about a handful. Make sure to use fresh rosemary for the best results, as it contains more of the essential oils that are beneficial for hair growth. 1 cup apple cider vinegar. It's important to use raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar with the mother for maximum benefits. Instructions: 1. Rinse the rosemary sprigs thoroughly. This step is crucial to remove any dirt or pesticides that may be on the leaves. 2. Place the rosemary in a glass jar. Make sure the jar is clean and dry before adding the rosemary. 3. Pour the apple cider vinegar over the rosemary, ensuring it's fully submerged. The vinegar will extract the beneficial compounds from the rosemary over time. 4. Seal the jar tightly and store it in a cool, dark place for 2 weeks, shaking occasionally. This allows the rosemary to infuse into the vinegar, creating a potent hair treatment. 5. After 2 weeks, strain the mixture using a cheesecloth or fine mesh strainer. This will remove the rosemary leaves, leaving you with a clear, infused vinegar. 6. Transfer the infused vinegar to a spray bottle for easy application. To use, simply spray the mixture onto your scalp and hair, massage it in, and leave it on for at least 15 minutes before rinsing. For best results, use this treatment once or twice a week. Enjoy your healthier, shinier hair. Using this hair tonic is simple and can easily be incorporated into your daily routine. First, after shampooing and conditioning your hair, spray the rosemary-infused vinegar onto your scalp. This step is crucial as it ensures that your scalp is clean and ready to absorb the tonic's nutrients. Next, massage it gently into your scalp for a few minutes. This not only helps the tonic penetrate deeper, but also provides a relaxing experience that can reduce stress. This helps stimulate blood circulation, which is essential for healthy hair growth. Improved blood flow brings more nutrients and oxygen to your hair follicles. Do not rinse out the tonic. Allowing it to stay on your scalp ensures that the active ingredients continue to work throughout the day. Let it air dry for maximum benefits. Air drying is gentler on your hair compared to using heat, which can cause damage over time. You can use this treatment 2 to 3 times a week. Consistency is key to seeing the best results. Be consistent for best results. Keeping a journal can help you track your progress and stay motivated. You should start noticing a difference in your hair's thickness and growth rate over time. With regular use, your hair will become stronger, shinier, and more resilient. Section 4. Beyond Growth, Unveiling the Holistic Benefits. This rosemary and apple cider vinegar treatment offers more than just hair growth. Rosemary helps to soothe an itchy scalp and reduce dandruff. Its invigorating scent uplifts your senses, making each use a spa-like experience. Apple cider vinegar balances your scalp's pH, preventing dryness and flakiness. It also smooths down the hair cuticles, enhancing shine and manageability. This powerful duo, therefore, addresses multiple hair concerns naturally. Section 5. Embrace the simplicity of nature's touch. This DIY hair growth method is simple and effective. It utilizes the power of natural ingredients. You can easily incorporate it into your hair care routine. Consistency is key for achieving noticeable results. Remember, patience is crucial when it comes to hair growth. Natural methods take time to show their magic. Stay committed to this natural approach and enjoy the journey to healthier, more vibrant hair. Section 6. A Legacy of Hair Wellness. For generations, natural remedies have been passed down through families. These remedies use the power of plants and herbs. This rosemary and apple cider vinegar hair tonic is one such example. It reflects the wisdom of traditional practices. By embracing these methods, we reconnect with nature's healing touch. We also contribute to a more sustainable approach to beauty. Section 7. Your journey to vibrant hair begins. Healthy hair is an attainable goal with the right approach. Try this simple DIY rosemary and apple cider vinegar hair tonic. Embrace the power of natural ingredients. Remember, you are embarking on a journey. Enjoy the process of nurturing your hair naturally. You will be rewarded with luscious locks that reflect your inner and outer health. Try this natural hair growth remedy today and see the difference. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more hair care tips and tricks.